Otra vez en la calle, otra vez en bici hoy con un día nublado. Parece que va a llover en cualquier momento. Pero no importa, salimos a pedalear y está todo bien. El destino de hoy es ir a este, tomar un café, hacer una breve presentación de la bici y después pasar a visitar un rato el modo urbano. Así que esperemos que salga algo bueno y a pasar una linda mañana arriba de la bici.
Check it, do it for the culture. Damn, don't buy into a vulture. Cause I'll turn it to a sculpture. For real, do it for the culture. I no longer envision what a clouded vision. They suppress the truth with so much precision. Scriptures are the holy key, like God's ignition. Ignore the science, but that's your decision. Pyramid schemes, just like isosceles. What you gon' believe, cause the sauce will leave. All my haters, they racist, or they so confused, or they high as fuck, high pot and news, so obtuse. But really that's no excuse. Juice Leroy, I kick it back like my name is Bruce. A lot of tracks, they wanna try to introduce. A lot of facts are hidden, then they won't reproduce. What's the use of spitting gems if they want some stones? Zoned out like a drone in some different zones. Phony bars are universal like a fucking phone. This ain't chess or checkers, man, we playing bones. Do it for the culture. Don't buy into a vulture. Cause I'll turn it to a sculpture. Do it for the culture. These lines so crack, I ain't gotta grab my nose. Sing, sun, flow, touching souls, even grab my nose. Y'all can have the wave, I'ma take the submarine. Holding down the underground, that's gonna be my summer theme. Y'all can't see me through a motherfucking bifocal. Bars is universal, I've been far from local. They're using vocals to become the next business mogul. Not me, I'm trying to be the next Reggie Noble. Everybody want the culture, but they can't live it. When it leaves, all my haters absolutely live it. Time is passing every day, and life is short. Don't take it for granted, because it's not a sport. What's a fantasy if you can't afford it? Internal storage is priceless, so go restore it. Everything is distorted or misrepresented. How do you make a change if everything's been submitted?
Bueno, esto es básicamente la nueva versión de mi bici. El cuadro es NN, Industria Nacional. Todo acero, soldadura TIG. Orejas de 5 milímetros de anclaje, tanto atrás como adelante. La delantera tiene avance de 35 milímetros. Las cubiertas son Aris, un Metro Cruiser de 700 x 35. El manubrio es un manubrio Darmour. Anclaje 25.4, puños primo de BMX de 180 milímetros. Está en marca 1, ángulo de 60 grados, avance de 55. Asiento MTI. Plato High Power. Pedales Stone en palancas genéricas. Piñón fijo de 18, libre DNP de 16 dientes. Eso es básicamente la bici armada. Bueno, básicamente ese fue un breve bike check de la bici. Ya me estoy yendo del puente porque está lloviendo y me voy a mojar, así que estoy yendo rumbo a modo urbano y a seguir pasándola bien en esta mañana, que más allá de la lluvia, siempre para adelante.
Check it. Every 316 I'm always reppin' Austin. Y'all demeaning real talent, that shit is so exhausting. Never did it for fame, fuck what it's costing. My bars is icy as fuck, that's why my fingers frosted. How the fuck did you do it with no visuals? Because my rhymes is everlasting like residuals. Some of y'all was on some evil shit and rituals. Afterwards you niggas claim you niggas are so spiritual. None of you niggas reliable, that's why society hold you liable. So I question what you lying for, keep my blade sharp, feel like I'm lying, no. Komodo dragon flow, tryna spit the kill. Popping pills, sleeping on me like some NyQuil. Hold that Texas down, coated in some blue bill. Making magic, man, no Shaquille. Check it. What do I gotta do? I've been trying to get it, been trying to make a move. Check it, what do I gotta do? I've been trying to get it, been trying to make a move. Everybody lives and everybody sins. Everybody starts and everybody ends. Boom bap is like my second language. If I bust the rhymes, you gon' say I'm dangerous like Mr. T. I'm like a black saying if it ain't about the money or who you train with. Fuck your auto-tune and what you niggas sang with. Punchlines like I'm Frank Dukes. Giving niggas spooks every time I hit the boot. Shooting blank nukes. All these niggas be some flukes. A lot of these niggas got no jukes. A lot of these niggas got no moves. Just 808 with flutes. I'm trying to run the game like a Michael J. I slid into some fame like a Michael J. Don't make me shoot the fade like a Michael J. Been a dog for decades like a Michael J. Check it. What do I gotta do? I've been trying to get it, been trying to make a move. Check it. What do I gotta do? I've been trying to get it, been trying to make a move.
Estuvo bien, al final se pudo pedalear, así que esperemos que salga algo bueno, que se pueda ver bien la bici, que se muestre, que se entienda la bici nueva, y nos veremos la próxima, arriba de cualquier bici. El que se quiera suscribir ya sabe, bienvenido, agradecido, nos vemos en la próxima arriba de cualquier bici.